Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and use the APT Rosé featuring Bruno template for TikTok videos on CapCut apps. So if you want to jump on the latest TikTok trend and create a viral video using the APT songs from Rosé, you can easily find the template on CapCut. So first you can just open the TikTok apps, the CapCut apps, and then add two templates. And here you can just click on the search column at the top and then just type in APT template or APT Rosé. Click on enter and you'll see a bunch of templates that you can use. So here you can just explore, choose which one that you want to use to create your TikTok videos. For example, I'm going to use this one. It's right here. Click on the templates and this is the preview. So you can just click on the use template. So here you can just find the photos to add to the template. So I'm going to just use a random photos right here. Okay, I'm going to use this one. This one's right here. And then after you done selecting the photos, just click on next. And then here CapCut will load the effects. And you'll see the preview of the videos. You can see CapCut will automatically cut out your photos like this to match with the templates. And if you play it, there will be the APT songs play in the background, but I cannot hear you or preview the song because I don't want to get copyrighted. So if you like it, you can just tap on export and click on save and share to TikTok, and your video will exporting. Just wait and it will automatically switch to TikTok, so you can upload it to your TikTok account. Let's just wait. So now it's done. It will switch to TikTok automatically, and here you can just write the captions. You can just upload it by clicking on next to upload it to your TikTok account. So that's how you can create the trending APT Rosé featuring Bruno with TikTok videos using a CapCut template. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!